Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to get Cash App card. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Cash App mobile application, and once you are on this type of page, you need to click on this little card icon in the bottom. Afterwards, you will be redirected on this Cash card page where you are going to see the perks and benefits of having the Cash App card. So you can read through by sliding to the left. After that, you will have to click on the option of Get Free Cash Card. Then it will ask you to choose your style. So over here you will be given a bunch of different cash card styles that you can choose. So you just have to choose your style. You need to make sure that some of these styles are paid. So if you can pay, then you can even choose the paid styles. After selecting the style, you will have to click on the order card button. But before that, if you want to customize it, for example, if you want to draw anything on it, or if you want to add any emojis on top of it, then you can click on the personalized card, and after that you can customize your card. But for this video, I'll simply click on this order card button in the bottom. Then it will ask you where should we send your cash card. So in this section you need to provide your address details, and then you need to press next. On the next page it will show you the details about your cash card, like the monthly fee that you need to pay and per purchase fees. So you just have to read the information that is given on this page, and then you just have to scroll in order to continue on the next page. Afterwards, it may ask you to provide some further information relating to your Cash App account. So you just have to give the information, and then you will be landed on the final page which will say that your cash card order is now confirmed. So over here you just have to press done, and this way you will be able to easily get your Cash App card. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.